For the first attempt ever in my life, I don't think it came out too bad. You gotta find the trick to getting them out of the mold. I didn't do that yet. This is the first one I tried. But I've still got lots of chances to get it nice and perfect. That's my first attempt ever at a raindrop cake. Let's see the actual egg shape so you can see what it's supposed to look like. There you go. Well, it's crystal cake now. We'll just decorate it all fancy. Make the sugar syrup. Ready to serve at the restaurant. $150. Raindrop cake with sugar syrup.